When you get into trading and when you are a beginner, you are going to hear so many times that the key to success in trading is discipline. But if you look at and actually look at people who've been successful in trading, what you're going to find is that discipline in their trading career came in much later once they found a setup. In order to find a setup which is going to work for you, what you need is innovation and creativity. If you see the case studies of successful traders, they managed to find something unique. They managed to find something which was not noticed by other people. Even if you look at quantitative traders, the most successful quantitative traders find things which are not been discovered by others. Or if you look at famous traders like Livermore, he found a unique pattern which was not discovered by others. Similarly, if you look at Darva's method, Darvas found something which was unique. Or Mark Minervini's VCP pattern is something which he found which is a unique pattern. So, finding unique and creative ideas is the first stage for a new beginner trader or when you are new to trading. You need to find things which are going to work for you and you need to be creative and innovative in the beginning stage. Once you find something which is innovative and creative, then you need to execute it with discipline. If you start with putting the discipline horse in the front, what happens is you are going to be doing things which may not be creative and innovative with lot of discipline, and then you will be disappointed. Time after time, when you look at people who do well in trading, they found innovative solutions to trading problem. Whenever you are faced with a trading problem, you need to find an innovative solution. Supposing you are a working person and you cannot do the normal kind of trading which a full-time trader does. Innovative ways in which you can enter, innovative ways in which you can put in orders, innovative ways in which you can use a different kind of an order is what is going to help you, and just being disciplined is not going to help. Similarly, in order to make, say, a breakout method work or pullback method work, again, unless you use the creativity and innovation and find periods when pullbacks work well or find periods when breakouts work well and create some sort of a new kind of a filter to manage your trading, you are not going to make it. So, this whole emphasis on just discipline is more useful once you have found a setup. If you have not yet found a setup and if you are still struggling, just trying to push through discipline is a wrong way to do it. You need to be creative, you need to be innovative, and every single trader you will see has a different setups. They might be a variation of the same classical setup, but they have managed to be creative, they have managed to be innovative, they have managed to find something new. So, if you are a new trader or if you are stuck in trading, what you need to develop is creativity and innovation. And once you found a creative and innovative setup or a creative and innovative indicator or creative and innovative way to time the market or creative or innovative way to find growth stocks early, then when you convert it into a setup is when you need to use discipline. And that is the key to being successful in trading: creativity and innovation.